Hello everyone, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, iramasu, здравствуйте, привет, buna, dzień dobry, sziastok, hello, xin ciao, yosio, tere, salam alaikum, saskriyakal, marhaban, merhaba. No face today. I want to keep the video nice and fast and super quick because I am busy, no, because my face is as greasy as hell and I can't be bothered to do it to record. I'm also taking a leaf out of another YouTuber who is Missy B London, and she did that and just straight to the point. So that's enough chatting. It is the June edition of Curlee Box, which is for all those curly hair. It's also basically for Afro type hair and so on. And my daughter's the one holding the camera, so if it gets a bit shaky, sorry about that. Okay, so it's starting off with the cards. In here you have the actual card which tells you it's for Curlee Box and it's the June edition. And you have that, and it gives you the items which are included inside, and that says vegan, so that's the first thing. Next one is this card here, which is from a company called ayocado.com, where you go on a website, and it's basically about black designs about black artists, where you've got t-shirts and pictures and designs you can put on a cover of your phones and so on. So you can go in there, and they deliver in the EU and North America as well. And then you have the company itself featuring all the products here, and this is from a company called Noughty hair care, and it is 97% natural, and also it does say here that it's vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, made in the UK, active plant extract, paraben free, sulphate free, petrochemicals free, silicons free, and it's for frizzy, damaged or dry hair. Provides intensively moisturizing whatever benefits, deeply nourishing, super softening, packed with natural goodness. And also you have a code, yeah, of course, 25% if you enter it at naughtyhaircare.co.uk. So those are the cards. First item is this one here, and in here you have 250 ml. It is the co-wash cleansing and steady camera, steady, that's better. And it is the co-wash cleansing conditioner, and yeah, so I hate co-washing, really do, but it's in a pump bottle. Just to let you know, this is the second attempt at unboxing, because the first one, the footage was not quite right and it was too shaky and I was recording on my own. So the smell is kind of sweet and lovely, and smells like something that you would definitely want to eat. Nice. So that's the first one. And next item, all items are full size, 250 ml in here. This is for the Moisture Boost Conditioner, which has got sunflower seed and also sweet almond. Steady camera, steady, better. And the other one, the previous one, had sweet almond and castor oil inside. Next item is this one, 250 ml, or for you Americans out there, it is 8.4 fluid ounces. And you've got moisturizing boost shampoo, again for frizzy hair and frizzy and damaged hair, sweet almond and sunflower seed oil included inside. And next item is this one, which is the leave-in conditioner, and let me just move it here so you can see. Leave-in conditioner, 150 ml or 5 fluid ounces. Sweet almond and argan oil is included in this one. And the final item, as the camera, I think someone is getting steady, and is for again, this is the intense moisture treatment, hair treatment, and it's got sweet almond and black oat and oat protein, which I use myself when I make my own hair conditioner. It's good for hair, of course. You know, as you guys know, protein can be good for the hair as long as obviously you treat it well and do it within prescribed time, but not too often. But yeah, these are all the items in the box, and she's moving. I don't know why. Put the camera back. Steady. Move it back now. No movement. Steady. Otherwise people are gonna get get dizzy. So these are all the items in the box. I'm not too sure what the total value of the items are, but I will put them at the end of the video so you know whether it's worth it or not. The box itself comes with delivery. It's about 23 or 24 pounds, I can't quite remember. Again, I'll put it somewhere during editing so you know, and then you can decide for yourself. I do have to say that I do like a lot of the products. They usually are full size. You don't get any of that kind of rubbish kind of trials package kind of thing where you use it once and that's it. And a lot of the times actually some of the items are either from the US and they're not yet available in the UK, so you get them in advance, or you get to hear about companies you've never heard of, because I've never heard of the Noughty hair care company. So I'm quite happy with the items so far. I cannot wait to use them. They've worked perfectly well in my hair and my daughter's hair previously as well. So as usual, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, and I'll cross my fingers you did. If you didn't, it was because of my daughter. You can blame her and find her somewhere. But other than that, she's giving me a filthy look. Other than that, I hope that you do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will speak to you all very, very soon. Bye bye, people. Bye.
Homage got the vibes.